Chapter 17. Index Numbers. Of the important statistical devices and techniques, index numbers have today become one of the most widely used for judging the pulse of economy, although in the beginning they were originally constructed to gauge the effect of changes in prices. Today we use index numbers for cost of living, industrial production, agricultural production, imports and exports, etc. Index numbers are the indicators which measure percentage changes in a variable, or a group of variables, over a specified time. By saying that the index of export for the year 2001 is 125, taking base year as 2000, it means that there is an increase of 25% in the country's export as compared to the corresponding figure for the year 2000. Characteristics of index numbers. Following are some of the important characteristics of index numbers. Index numbers are expressed in terms of percentages to show the extent of relative change. Index numbers measure relative changes. They measure the relative change in the value of a variable or a group of related variables over a period of time or between places. Index numbers measures changes which are not directly measurable. The cost of living, the price level or the business activity in a country are not directly measurable, but it is possible to study relative changes in these activities by measuring the changes in the values of variables/factors which affect these activities. Types of index numbers. Index numbers are names after the activity they measure. Their types are as under. Price index, measure changes in price over a specified period of time. It is basically the ratio of the price of a certain number of commodities at the present year as against base year. Quantity index, as the name suggests, these indices pertain to measuring changes in volumes of commodities like goods produced or goods consumed, etc. Value index, these pertain to compare changes in the monetary value of imports, exports, production, or consumption of commodities. Methods of constructing index numbers. Construction of index numbers can be divided into two types. Unweighted indices. Weighted indices. In this lesson, we will discuss only the unweighted indices. The following are the methods of constructing unweighted index numbers. I. Simple aggregative method. 2. Simple average of price relative method.